Okay, this is the second part of the area and volume common assessment corrections. Question number 6. Joyce has a cooler that she wants to fill with a rectangular submarine sandwiches. The dimensions of the cooler are 6 feet by 3 feet by 5.5 foot. If each sandwich has a volume of 1 5/10 cubic feet, what is the maximum number of sandwiches Joyce can fit into her cooler? So we can set up our T-chart for a rectangular prism. The area of the base is base times height. Since it's a prism, volume equals the area of the base times the height of the prism. We have a 6 foot by 3 foot, which has an area of 18 feet. Then we're going to do 18 feet times 5 and 5/10 feet. So we multiply 5 and 5/10 times 18. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 4 is 44. Okay, then we add a placeholder. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. We add it up. We have 0, 9, 9. 1D plus 0D is 1D. So the volume of the cooler is 99 feet cubed. And we want to know if each sandwich is 1.5 cubic feet, how many sandwiches can fit into the cooler? So we need to divide 99 by 1.5. So we have to hop over the divisor, hop over the dividend. 15 can go into 99 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. We subtract. 15 can go into 90 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So we can fit 66 sandwiches inside of the cooler. Let's go to question number 7. Diane bought a new circular vase to put her flower arrangements in. The vase has a circumference of 72 and 22/100. What is the radius? So we can do an RDCA table. And in this, we know the circumference, 72 and 22/100. Well, we can divide by 3. When we divide by 3, we go in there 2 times. We can go in there 4 times. And we can stop there because it's just going to keep going. So we'll just round to 24. And then we can say 24 divided by 2 will get me 12. Now remember, I rounded pi. Instead of saying 3.14, I used 3, and I rounded here at the end. So the closest is A. Okay, let's go to number 8. It says, what is the area of a circle with a diameter of 12 inches? So we have an RDCA. The diameter is 12. To become a radius, we do 12 divided by 2. We get 6. If you want to do the circumference, 12 times 3 is 36. To find the area, radius times 3. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. We have 108. And remember, we rounded at 3, so the closest is D. Okay, let's go to question number 9. On question number 9, we want to know the total surface area. So we're going to find the area of each individual shape. So area equals base times height. 4 times 3 is 12. All right, if this is 3, this is 3. So area equals base times height. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, then we have area equals base times height. 3 times 3 is 9. All right, and then lastly, we need to do the triangles. So the triangles are both the same dimensions. Its area equals 1/2 base times height. So we have 1/2 times 3 times 4. I can simplify the diagonal. Top times top, bottom times bottom. I get 6. If this is 6, this is 6. Okay, so we need to add up 12 plus 15 plus 9 plus 6 plus 6. All right, so we have 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 12 will get me 28. 2, 3, 4. We have a total surface area of 48 centimeters squared. Okay, let's go to the last question, number 10. It says, what is the volume of the rectangular pyramid below? Okay, so we create our T-chart. The area of the base is base times height, which is 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. Now, since it's a pyramid, volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So we have 1/3 times 56 times the height of the pyramid, which is 6. We can simplify the diagonal. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then we're going to do 56 times 2. Top times top, bottom times bottom. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. 112 inches cubed. Okay, don't forget to turn in your corrections.